Hey everybody, welcome back. DJ Hi Kevin here to teach you how to be the best Twitch moderator you can possibly be, like me and all my buddies. So there's a lot that goes into being a moderator. As someone that has multiple moderators as well as is one for a couple channels, this is only the beginning. So we're going to start off nice and easy and slow and just focus a little bit on what the purpose of being a moderator is. Before we get totally into this whole thing, you know the spiel. If you guys could do me a favor, like, subscribe, dislike, leave a comment, tell me to go fuck myself, whatever. Anything you do can and will help me grow a little bit more and help others learn as well. So the purpose of a moderator is really to help you as a Twitch streamer, to have somebody there that helps you filter through everything that goes on. This includes your chat flow, the actual performance of everything, if your volume is right, and a ton of other elements that we're going to go through starting with this video. Now, as far as why you need a moderator, again, we've mentioned dealing with people in the chat, helping you perfect everything that is actually on your stream. But the most important thing is making sure that everyone stays happy in your chat, posting any alerts, making sure that you don't miss anything, and doing things like running polls, just keeping the whole flow seamless. It's great to have somebody in your corner. Your moderator is kind of like your Mickey to your Rocky, you know, your trainer sitting there in your corner making sure you got everything. I don't know, your Goose to your Maverick. Your Patrick to your SpongeBob, you know, they may not be the main character, but I promise you they are there to help support you and get you through the thickest of everything. All right, so let's get into some fun stuff. What we're going to start off with is checking out the Moderator View on Twitch. And as one of DJ Demand's moderators, I was using him as an example one evening, which we're going to check out right now. So we're just going to start off with this still photo of his stream. Kind of important to see some of the elements. First off, we see the usual of our video and our chat. You can see at the bottom there's a auto mod queue as well as some moderator actions. So we have our auto mod queue. You can set up an auto mod. This is a whole nother video coming soon. But anyway, you can see the chat, and some of the more important things that you'll see will develop as we go through this little video. So now that we're watching our video, you can see the chat kind of scrolling through. You can see all the normal stuff that you see, but this top right thing is where you can take a peek at some of the users in the chat that are live right now. You can see on the bottom some channel actions as well, where you can click subscribe only, emote only, followers only, and then pretty importantly, you can click into the chat. You can gift subs right away by using the users in chat panel. You can whisper them, you can ban them, time them out, all sorts of different moderator powers that you have. Which is why you need to make sure that your moderator is someone that you trust. You can also see all of their messages in there. You can expand it a little bit so you can see it a little more clearly. This is DJ Hendrix, a buddy of ours that's in there all the time. So we're a big fan of him and love to use him. So Demand had just gotten a follow at this point, which I click over on the left-hand side of the activity feed and instantly follow back, highlight their name, and thank them simply for following us. So I do this little quick highlight thing. I want to make sure I get people's names right. Sometimes it's pretty difficult. But then we also have these automatic commands, which is me giving a quick shout out to our big friend, I am DJ Pre, who's been helping us run these raid trains and absolutely crushing it on Twitch as well. In the bottom left, you can see some other channels you'll follow just in case you're bored moderating DJ Demand, and see a bunch of different items just kind of whipping around the outside, seeing different little 3-dot things. So on our chat, we can show our moderator icons, which I like to leave on all the time just so you can make things even faster. Luckily, at this point, we haven't had to ban anyone, but it makes it way easier just to help out with people. And here we can see your boy flexing a little bit, gifting a subscription to Pre. I'm going to get rid of, the kind of follow-up process here so you can't see all my information. But this is a really, really important tool. Basically, give to your community, and in my personal opinion, they give back, and it helps out a lot. But yeah, so you can see DJ on point down there hopping in the chat. Me kind of scrolling over stuff, and yeah. So other things you can do: edit moderator view. You can add or remove certain widgets, which there's a bunch of. I personally think that the Default layout is great, and you don't really need too many other elements in there. It's kind of crowded as it is, personally. So that's a big gist of the moderator view. But big things, you can always see names highlighted. Really, we're making sure that Demand can focus on doing what he does best, which is DJing. He's been a great moderator for me as well. But we've kind of bounced off of each other, just ways to help each other make our streams better. So here you can see all the other mods that are in there. And then, of course, you can see me shouting myself out, which is so awesome. So that's the main gist of being a moderator. That's like the start of the moderator view. There's so much else to go over. So much that Demand and I, as each other's mods, have worked on, kind of including Discord into everything, including CloudBot through Streamlabs, including different commands, including different slashes. There's endless shit to think about. But I wanted to get this video out because we got to get started in some way, shape, or form. And also I wanted to start the conversation about being a moderator. What questions do you guys have about being a mod? What do you want to learn about? What problems have you had as a streamer that your moderator hasn't been able to solve? Little stuff like this. Let me know down in the comments. Thanks again for being here. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Twitch, follow me on this stuff. Hit me up on Instagram. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. We're here to help you grow. And yeah, that's it for me. So I'll catch you next time. DJ Hi Kevin. Peace.